Here we go, we're on the horse. Oh. We're on the horse pedalos. Oh, it really is an awful day today. We've done well on this trip so far to escape the rain by and large. So it's not the end of the world, it's the last day. It'd be nice to have a lovely sunny day here, but here we go. Get my steps in for the day on the horse pedalos. Good fun. It's that wet we can't even find anywhere to do any of the links for the vlogs, so we've ended up not really filming as much as we'd have liked here, really. It's a shame because it seems like a really unusual old style family park. There is quite a lot to do here. We have been on quite a few things. Just the rain is quite heavy and relentless. It's like a good old English day out, really. Isn't it, Cass? Yeah. Go faster? Come on, horsey! Let's see how fast we can go, horsey! Oh, yeah!
I got it! Stop pedaling! And stop pedaling, will it stop your eyes?
Yeah. Oh. Don't pedal now, Cass, because we're going into the station. Yeah.
Anders ganz gut sein, naiv.